in the same college bus.
We used to sit in adjacent seats.
I actually placed my bag above him and I asked him if he can lend my bag, and people in the back started, teasing and all.
And suddenly I get a text from her, "This is Karunya." Like, wow.
If I needed anything, he would be right there in a sec. I need this, I want to eat this, and then he used to come pick me up, take me to places where I wanted to go and leave me, drop me back home.
When she's around, I feel complete.
This really became intense when I went to the States. I went there to pursue my higher studies.
I think in the beginning days, I didn't realize. Then slowly it started hitting me, okay, she's not around anymore.
It was really a tough journey when we both were separated for a really long time. It was probably like more than 3 years, I could say, 3 years and a few months.
Long distance is a very difficult thing to manage, very, very difficult.
Not even in my dreams I could imagine somebody else beside me. And then maybe that's when I realized that, he's the actual person.
I couldn't find anyone better. I know that, everybody knows that. It's impossible to find somebody like that. Tell myself that whatever happens, make her happy, because she deserves it.
No matter what and no matter how long we go, no matter how old we get, I think I'll still love him the same way like I'm loving him now. That's it.
best gift I got ever.
But they're way too cute together, and I'm really, really happy that they're getting married. Be nice to her. Be nice to yourself too, so that you're nice to her. And love me forever. I'm your best friend. You cannot get rid of me. Even if you are like 10,000 miles away, you're not getting rid of me.
We were like Tom and Jerry. We used to fight all the time. She used to blame me for all the mischievous things she do. She'll be like, Samu did it. I don't know how to put it to words, but she's the best sister anyone could ask.
పుట్టకముందే నేను దేవుణ్ణి ప్రే చేసుకునేదాన్ని నాకు పాప కావాలని. చాలా హ్యాపీ నాకు. పాప హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది అనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అయితే ఉంది నాకు. తన హ్యాపీనెస్సే కావాలి కదా నాకు.
So it should continue forever. We should lead a peaceful, longest, healthy and wealthy life.
तो ज़्यादा नई बात कर लेते मगर अंडरस्टैंड हो जाते. उसको मेरा समझ में आता, मेरे को उसको समझ में आता.
अब मेरे को एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास, मेरे से बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है और मेरे से बहुत काम ही मिला. एकदम विश करता, हाय ब्रो बोलता, हाय ब्रो बोलता, मेरे भी मामा को भी ब्रो बोलता.
If he is really passionate and if he really believes in something, he won't give up.
He was very good at sports, and he was our school vice captain and good at studies as well. So besides all this, I have to say the fact that he's a good person in terms of his heart.
చాలా మూమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనవి. అది కటింగ్ చాయ్ ఉండని, అది ఉండని, స్టాలియన్ ఉండని, క్రికెట్ ఆడడం, ఫనీగా టెర్రస్ ఉండని, అని మ్యారేజ్ అయిపోతుంది, యూఎస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఐ థింక్ ఐ విల్ మిస్ యూ డెఫినెట్లీ.
We had a very good bonding between us. Like meeting every day was our routine thing. Now that he's going off, I'll really miss him very much.
Oh, you know, actually, I'll follow Jeevan's format. Me and Uday are like childhood friends. Very smart. My teacher used to give him good marks.
One good thing about him is this expectations that he usually sets up with us. Never on time. Happens to be a good cricketer.
He's like a baby. Like he's a child. He's a man child. He's a definition.
He's a great guy? No, not really. I don't know. Like he pretends to be a great guy.
వాడైతే క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ వాడిది. చిన్నప్పటికెళ్ళి చూస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి వాడు మంచి క్యారెక్టరు, చదువులో కూడా మంచిగా ఉన్నాడు, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ నాన్న చెప్పినట్టు వినే అట్లా అన్ని రకాల మంచి పర్ఫెక్ట్.
నాటీ బాయ్, నాటీ బాయ్,
గుడ్ బాయ్ అయిపోయాడు.
फिल्म का नाम रखना चाहिए उदय द गुड बॉय. आजा real kind hearted guy.
Your face is kind hearted.
I know it. I don't know if it's like knowing only from last 7-8 years. Kind.